If you have been finding it difficult to receive or send money on WeChat Pay, consider how to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to enable WeChat Pay transfer and receive money in your WeChat wallet without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WeChat. So with that being said, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to enable WeChat Pay, receive, and transfer money without any stress. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to Me. Then go to Services. Then go to Wallets. Then go to Payment Settings. Then go to Mobile Number Transfer Settings. Click on it. Then it takes you to this particular page. Transfer via mobile number. Simply click on here to enable receive transfer via mobile money. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable this particular feature of receive payment or transfer money on WeChat Pay. But you have to make sure that you have successfully verified your identity on WeChat before you can enable these features of receiving and transfer money on WeChat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.